Hey guys, this is Subhash Mishra. Today we will learn another Python program. We'll see how to write a Python program to sort a string in ascending or descending order. So when you have a string and you want to sort it, right? Whether you want to sort it in ascending order or you want to sort it in descending order, you should able to do it through a Python program. We'll see that, right? So let's take one string. For example, we have one string s1 is equal to, I'll say, Python. Okay, this is one string. I want to sort it in the ascending order, right? If it is in ascending order, it means A should come first, then B, then C, then E, D, E, F, like this, right? But if it is in descending order, then it will be like Z, Y, X, like this, right? So you know it, right? What is ascending order, what is descending order, right? So first we will see how we can do it through ascending order, and then we will see how to do it in the descending order. Okay, so we have one string s1 and the value is a Python for it, right? So the very first thing what we will do, we will convert this string to a list. Okay, so we will do something like this. We will name it something s1 list, anything you can give any name, is equal to list of what, s1. So basically we are converting this string to a list. Okay, so if you will just print it, okay, the actual string is, you can write here s1, okay, and then you can say here you can give, see, the actual, sorry, the converted string to list, the converted string to list is here, we can give this. Okay, let me execute and show you. See, this is our actual string, but when we converted it, it became something like this, right? It is a list. Okay, then what we want to do, we want to sort it through ascending order. Then we will use some inbuilt methods. Okay, then what we will do, we will try to sort this particular list. Okay, this s1 list, we will try to sort it. Okay, how you can do it? You can do it using this sorted method, sorted of this s1 list. Okay, so if I'll just show you, print, I'll say here sorted list, okay, something like this. Okay, let me show you this. See, this got sorted, right? This is your sorted list. But what you want? You want a sorted string, not sorted list, right? So for that you can use join inbuilt method. Okay, so we will say, for example, result string, we will say result is equal to, we will use space, will not give space here, just this, then dot join. Okay, what you want to join? You want to join basically this one, right? Okay, that's all. Okay, then you can just print this. Print, you can say the result string after sorting is this one, res. Okay, let me just execute it. See, whatever sorted list we have converted, right, we just converted to a string. Okay, so this is how you can use the join method. So here if you will give space, right, basically you will get space here. If I will just tell you, see, you got space here, that's why we are not giving any space. Okay, this is simple, you can give like this and you can run it, then join method. Okay, so this is what we are doing, and this is how you can sort it in ascending order. So this is your ascending order. So if I'll put it here, sort in ascending order, ascending order. Okay, one more time if I'll explain you what we did here. We have one string and then we converted that string to a list. Okay, this is our list, and that is what you saw here. This is the string and this is the converted list. Once we got that list, we sorted that using this sorted method. Okay, we sorted that list, and then for that sorted list we are converting to a string. Okay, so this sorted list we are converting to a string here. Okay, here sort in ascending order. Okay, this is your ascending order thing. If you want to do the same thing but in a descending order, what you can do, let me just comment it out. This is your ascending order, right? So the same thing, exactly the same thing, what you will do here, one more thing, you will just write result equal to join sorted string s1 dot list, and then here you just do one more thing, just write this reverse, okay, is equal to true. Okay, and see, now it is like this, but it will change to, means it will start from y, then in this order it will start from this. Now it is starting from here to here, but this result after descending order, right, this is in descending order. Okay, after descending order it will start from here to here. Okay, let me just run it. See, this is what you can see, this is in descending order. Okay, why you are seeing this one here? Because here we are printing this sorted S1 list. Again, if you just want to print this also, you can do something like this. Okay, see, this is in the descending order, and same you can see here. Okay, if you are getting confused like this Python, what I can do is, for example, DEF ABC. This is simple, right? You can understand easily. See, DEF ABC, it means it should give us the result like this, FEDCBA. But if you want to do it in the ascending order, you can uncomment this and you can comment this, and then just execute one more time. Okay, see, A, B, C, D, E, F. So this is how you can sort a string. Okay, whether in ascending order, whether in descending order, this is how you can do it. This is very simple program. Okay, using all these inbuilt method like sorted, join, using all this inbuilt method, you can write a Python program to sort any string. Okay, so I hope this video is helpful for you. If you like it, please press the like button. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe it, share it with your friends. Also, do not forget to watch all other Python programs. I have created a separate Python program playlist. Those are very helpful for the interview. Please do watch all those videos. So that's all for today. Thank you. Bye bye.